From now, Paathsalapalace brings you short English moral story. Hope you like it. And if you like it, ask the adults to subscribe. So, let's watch the video. Once upon a time, in the heart of the densest, most vibrant jungle on earth, there lived a curious little monkey named Mojo. Mojo was known far and wide for his incredible sense of rhythm. He could hear the heartbeat of the jungle, the swaying of leaves, and the chatter of animals, and he turned it all into music. Each morning, as the sun's first rays placed the canopy, Mojo would climb to the tallest tree in the jungle. He had sat on a sturdy branch to take a deep breath and begin to tap his teeny finger on a hollow log. The jungle came alive as if the creatures themselves had been waiting for his feet. The hummingbirds fluttered in time to Mojo's rhythm, their wings creating a melodious wave. The frogs joined into their croaks and the insects played their symphony of clicks and buzzes. Even the massive elephants swayed and stomped, adding a deep bass to the composition. But Mojo's favorite composition was a parrot named Melody. Melody had feathers as colorful as a rainbow and a voice that could imitate any sound in the jungle. Together they created the most enhancing songs the jungle had ever heard. Mojo would tap his beat and Melody would sing harmoniously, mimicking the calls of all the creatures around them. One day, as Mojo and Melody were in the middle of their morning performance, a group of explorers stumbled upon the jungle. They were amazed by the captivating music that echoed through the trees and decided to investigate. When they found Mojo and Melody, they could not believe their eyes and ears. They had ever encountered such a talented pair of musicians. The explorer recorded their performance, planning to share it with the world. Word spread quickly, and soon people from all over the globe came to hear the jungle beat. Mojo and Melody became famous far beyond the jungle's border, and their music brought joy and unity to people from all walks of life. But as the jungle's fame grew, so did the number of visitors. The once peaceful jungle became crowded and noisy, disturbing the natural balance of life. Mojo and Melody saw the toll it was taking on their beloved home. One day, while performing their music for a massive crowd, Mojo and Melody made a bold decision. They played a final mesmerized place that seemed to capture the soul of the jungle. Then, with tears in their eyes, they disappeared into the depths of the jungle, leaving behind only the echoes of their music. The jungle gradually returned to its peaceful, untouched state, and Mojo and Melody continued to play their enchanting tunes for the animals and trees far away from the prying eyes of the world. And though they were no longer famous among humans, their music remained the heart and the soul of the jungle, a treasure known only to its inhabitants, and so the jungle beat lived on, a hidden gem in the heart of the wild. But the rhythms of the nature and the melodies of its creatures danced together in harmony, undisturbed by the outside world.